Are Indian steel giants facing a knockout blow from cheap imports? You bet they are. Get ready for the hard-hitting truth on how flood of inexpensive steel from overseas, mainly China, is crashing into our markets and threatening the very foundation of Indian industry. Wandstats data doesn't lie. Steel imports into India have exploded, with a jaw-dropping 80% surge in shipments from China alone between January and July of last year. That's a colossal 1.61 million tons of steel. Our homegrown powerhouses are getting harmed by this relentless wave of budget-friendly metal. Why is this happening? Wandstats analysis reveals a potential secret weapon, a dumping policy allegedly employed by China. They are accused of selling steel at unbelievably low prices, sometimes even below the cost of making it. And get this, when the USA slapped hefty tariffs on Chinese steel, guess where a lot of that extra supply ended up? Right here in India. But hold your horses, because India, according to Wandstats sources, is not backing down. In a decisive move, the government is slamming down a 12% safeguard duty on these steel imports. Think of it as a temporary fortress standing strong for 200 days to give our vital Indian steel industry the chance to recover and fight back. What does this mean for the average Indian? Wandstats breaks it down. The price of some steel products might see a slight increase, but the bigger picture, our analysts believe, is about safeguarding Indian jobs and our manufacturing might. You see, India shockingly became a net importer of steel recently, with a staggering 9.5 million tons flooding our markets last financial year. This duty is a crucial step towards reversing that trend. The Indian steel market is a titan, estimated by Wandstats to be worth a massive USD 103 billion in 2024 alone. And we are not stopping here. Our analysts project a bold ambition to ramp up our steel production to an incredible 300 million tons by 2030-31. This safeguard duty is a critical move in achieving that powerful vision. So who are the key players in this high-stakes drama? Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Steel Authority of India or SAIL, ArcelorMittal, Nippon Steel India and Jindal Steel. These are the titans battling to keep India's steel industry roaring. This 12% duty, according to Wandstats, is more than just a number. It's a clear message. India is drawing a firm line, ready to defend its own and secure a robust future for its steel industry. For more such deep dives, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned to Wandstats for the news that matters.